Salam and good morning to everyone, AIM family. Last year po kasi ay nagkaroon po kami ng OPP sa aming probinsya sa Marawi City, Lanao del Sur. Actually, yung OPP po na yun ay ginanap sa isang hospital kung saan na ang uncle ko na doktor ay siya ang chief o namamahala sa ospital na yon. Yung OPP po ay maganda, pero ang gusto po ng mga doctors and other health workers ay sana magkaroon po doon ng intensive product demo. Meron po akong ginawang sulat na sinubmit namin sa head office at natanggap po ito ng marketing department. Nag-reply po sila at ang sabi ay ipapaalam sa aming mga uplines. At may mga uplines na nagsabi sa amin na hahanapan daw po nila ng paraan. Pero until now, kami po ay nag-aantay. Gusto po ng uncle ko na magkaroon ng intensive product demo doon sa aming hospital para mas lalong maunawaan at mag-join ang mga health workers doon. Yung mga doctors and mga nurses. So, babasahin ko po ang sulat na ito. Bibilisan ko po ng konti. June 30, 2014, Dr. Eduardo Cabantog, MD. Subject, Opportunity Plan Presentation, OPP in Marawi City, Lanao del Sur, Mindanao, Philippines. Dear Dr. Cabantog, hello sir. I am Abdel Aziz Saber Di Mapunong, 36 years old, or KD. An OFW here in the Republic of South Korea since 2006 to present. I joined M Global last year and am currently a silver executive. My uplines are Gold Executive Paul Jan Oxena and Global Ambassadors, namely so and so. Okay. I am pleased to inform you that last June 9 and June 10, we had conducted OPP in Marawi City, Lanao del Sur in Mindanao, at the Amay Pakpak Medical Center located in Barangay Dato Saber, and at the Mamitua Saber Research and Technology Center in Mindanao State University, respectively. The presentation was nice. However, the hospital amphitheater audience was not satisfied. According to the medical center chief, Dr. Amer A. Saber, my uncle, who recently became a member, ranked as distributor and single header as of now, the hospital audience, who mostly were health workers, are intellectual and discriminating that the presentation didn't meet their expectations. The doctors wanted quality and detailed presentation of all the products of AIM Global. Dr. Amer A. Saber, MD, MPH, was also a former provincial health officer in the province of Lanao del Sur in ARMM, and therefore he is known to legions of health workers and influential people in the Lanao region. He has been working in the Amay Pakpak Medical Center for almost 3 decades now, who rose from the ranks from a resident physician up to medical center chief. He is also an entrepreneur in his private capacity, as he had once been the sole distributor of Abbott for fluids in the entire Lanao region. Marawi City is home to the Mindanao State University, the premier state university in the Philippines. It is just some 3 kilometers away from the hospital. The place is safe. Our city mayor is a relative who is the former husband of actress Miss Alma Moreno. On behalf of my uncle, may I invite you and your party to visit Amay Pakpak Medical Center and conduct OPP, Opportunity Plan Presentation. The doctors and staff want to hear detailed presentation by experts of our products. You may contact Dr. Saber to discuss about your visitation in case this is tenable. You may set it on a Monday, since it is on this day that hospital employees gather for the weekly general meeting. Please give me a call when you have read this letter. Your visitation in Marawi could open doors of opportunity for the people in Lanao. There are numbers of aimers there, but also according to my uncle, M Global has failed initially in the hospital in 2007 after learning from his staff who were members at the time. I surmise it could have been due to weak leadership. Anyhow, this time my uncle is the upline in the hospital with only 3 downlines. My 2 cousins and someone in Malaysia. He is willing to enroll his family. Wife also is a doctor who holds a high position in the same hospital, and 2 children are nurses. And wants to grow his network in the hospital and in the entire Lanao and contact his nurses who are now in the United States and elsewhere. Please present in the hospital amphitheater to audience who would be comprised of doctors, nurses, medical technologists, radiologic technologists, sanitary health workers, social workers, dietitians, pharmacists, administrative staff, utility workers, cooks, security guards, carpenters, janitors, 300 plus employees according to my uncle and friends of APMC or Amay Pakpak Medical Center. Another round of live presentation is badly needed there in order for us to succeed. Doctors are certainly influential in our community. Their queries need realistic expectations. I truly believe M Global holds a promise in our community. Please reply soonest. Best regards and more power. Very truly yours. So ito po yung sulat na pinasa namin sa head office. I'm not sure kung nabasa po ito, kung nakarating po ito kay Dr. Ed Cabantog. So ngayon ay akin pong ginawa ng video to make sure na sana po itong sulat na ito ay nabasa ni Dr. Ed Cabantog para mabigyan po ng action ang aming request na magkaroon po ng OPP sa aming lugar sa isang hospital, government hospital sa aming probinsya, sa Marawi City. So, yun lang po. That's all for today. Ako si KD and magkita-kita po tayo sa mga susunod na videos. Happy networking. God bless and more power to you.